Good afternoon, student. Today we will study about the what does disease look like. In the previous class, we have studied about the diseases and health. Okay. Now today disease, what type of disease or sources of disease, causes of disease, that all we'll study. Let us first of all let us now think a little more about diseases. In the first place, how do we know that there is a disease? In other words, how do we know that there is something wrong with the body? There are many tissues in the body. We have already studied in the previous section. These tissues make up physiological system or organ system that carry out different body functions. Each of organ system has specific organs as its parts. Like digestive system has the stomach and so on. Okay, children, to know this all, we should know about the sources of disease. From where all the disease enter in our body? What type of disease? Okay, children. First, internal factors like malfunctioning or improper functioning of various body parts such as heart, kidneys, genetic disorder, hormonal imbalance. Okay, such type of internal factors. Next is the external factors like unbalanced diet, disease causing microorganisms such as virus, bacteria, that all known as the pathogen, environmental pollutants, tobacco, alcohols, that all are the such type of drugs also. Okay, these all are the external factors. Okay, children, next we will study about the acute and chronic diseases. In the acute disease is such type of disease. Okay, children, this disease like influenza are acute disease because their effects come on suddenly and affect the body quickly. Example, common cold. Next, chronic disease, other diseases are more long term with the symptoms lasting for months or years. Such diseases are called chronic disease. Example, elephantiasis, tuberculosis are the chronic disease. Comparison of damage to health by acute and chronic disease, what type of damage it can cause to our health. Okay, this acute and chronic disease have different effects on human health. Any disease that cause poor health functioning of some body parts will affect our general health as well. This is because all functions of the body are necessary for general health. Thus, an acute disease which lasts for only very short period of time will not have time to cause major effects on general health, but a chronic disease will affect health drastically. For example, cough and cold is an acute disease and all of us have it from time to time. However, this chronic disease we can get better in the acute disease, but in the chronic disease this has bad effect on our health. Fact, we do not lose weight, we do not become short breath, we do not feel tired. Okay, but in the chronic disease we feel tired also, our health is also badly affected. So chronic diseases have very long term and drastic effect on people's health. So children, this one is the differences of acute and chronic disease. Next one is the children, I will tell you about the infectious and non-infectious disease. Infectious or communicable or non-communicable disease. First of all, I will tell you about the infectious disease. Infectious disease are caused by attack of pathogens. The disease are brought about by extrinsic or external factors. Infectious disease can pass from diseased person to healthy person. Transmission of Infection occur through direct contact or some medium like air, water, vectors. Okay, this infectious disease is caused in such a way. Example of infectious disease are cold, cholera, tuberculosis are the infectious disease. Non-infectious disease or non-communicable disease like they are caused by factors other than living pathogens. The diseases are mostly brought by internal factors. Non-infectious diseases cannot pass from one person to another. Transmission is absent. However, hereditary diseases are transmitted from parent to offspring. Community hygiene is in fact, okay, this in reducing the incidence of non-infectious disease. Example, diabetes, goiter, cancer, these all are the non-infectious disease. Next one, children, infectious disease infect caused by the infectious agent. Okay, children, what type of agent like viruses are the infectious agent? Bacteria, virus, protozoans, that all are the infectious agent. What type of disease is caused by the infectious agent like virus? Virus cause the disease common cold, influenza, dengue fever, hepatitis B, AIDS, chickenpox, measles. These all are caused by the viruses. You can see here in the such type of disease is caused by the virus, and here also protozoans. Okay, protozoans also. These are the agent, infectious agents. Protozoans cause the malaria, kala-jar. This all disease is caused by they are caused by the protozoans. Next one is bacteria. Also here another bacteria also cause the disease. Different types of disease like typhoid fever, cholera, tuberculosis, anthrax. These all are the caused by the bacteria. And worm also cause the disease. Okay, like intestinal worm infection, elephantiasis. These all are the disease which are caused by the worms. So such type of different types of disease in our body we'll study more details in the next class. Okay, children, bye.